Hello everyone, this is Tiffany. Today let's dive into our delightful spring collection. Start with buzzing spring. We have ribbon featuring bees and bright sunflowers, perfect for adding touch of nature to your decoration. Our Just Flower series brings you simple yet charming flower design, ideal for any springtime project. Next is our Easy Spring Flower series. Ribbons offer elegant and straightforward flower pattern that effortlessly enhance your decorations. For those who prefer soft touch, the plain color themes of spring provide simple pattern with a calming vibe, perfect for a quiet yet vibrant spring theme. Moving on, drawing style of spring collection feature dark color, lifelike butterflies and flower design, adding a unique artistic flair to your spring decorations. Finally, our Spring Flower Creature and Good Vibe series combine cartoon-style creature with vibrant spring flowers. This is the idea of our ribbon making. Make every spring occasion special.